Japan's ancient capital, Kyoto. This city is home to many shrines and temples that date back to before the 16th century. Kyoto is especially fine to visit in fall, when the autumn colors brighten its historic vistas. A lesser-known attraction of Kyoto is its traditional stores, many of them extremely old. This store has been making wagasa, or Japanese-style umbrellas, for 160 years. Wagasa are crafted from washi paper stretched on a bamboo frame. An essential feature of traditional events, you also still often see wagasa used as regular umbrellas. Nishibori Kotaro is a fifth-generation wagasa maker who is constantly thinking up new ways to spread the appeal of his craft. One morning I was in the temple grounds where I was drying some wagasa. The incredibly beautiful effect of the sun shining through the paper gave me an idea. Nishibori's idea was to use wagasa techniques to make lampshades. The illumination produced by washi paper has a soft, gentle quality, unlike anything else. This very Japanese lighting effect is popular with interior designers for places like luxury hotels and restaurants. The light it creates is both beautiful and peaceful. I think it's important to find ways to bring the good effects of such traditional crafts into our everyday life today. It's a way of creating our own new traditions. This store has been in operation for about 270 years. It makes paints for Nihonga, a style of Japanese painting. Nihonga paints have always been made from materials found in nature, like minerals, seashells, and clay. Hiduki Miwa is a Nihonga artist. She paints the flowers she observes in each season. Here she is preparing gofun, the white paint that forms the base for most Nihonga tints. Gofun is a chalky powder made from crushed scallop shells. Mixed with other pigments, it produces a uniquely delicate palette known as wano-iro, or Japanese colors. Adding gofun makes the color so gentle. It goes well with any shade and is very easy to paint with. It's no exaggeration to say that without gofun, you couldn't have Nihonga. Gofun makes it possible to create an extensive spectrum of colors, and new products are taking advantage of this versatility. Here's a range of nail varnishes with a gofun base. These recreate the colors of the Japanese landscape. I wanted to popularize the wano-iro color palette. Painting your nails with these tints is fun. It feels like you're creating a Nihonga picture. Made from all natural materials, these products are free from the harsh smell of regular nail varnishes. Gathering new fans every year, this style has now gone mainstream. Kyoto's traditional crafts continue to find new roles to play in our lives, with innovative ideas that are capturing imaginations worldwide.